This is the video for homework 2 problem 5. According to the problem, we can know that the probability of the number of customer arrivals in t minutes equal to k is this function. So for the question A, to find lambda, we can know that the probability that in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives is equal to 0.3 according to the problem. So the probability that in 2 minutes no customer arrives is on reverse, so it equals to 1 minus 0.3 equals 0.7, and this probability means that t equals to 2, k equals to 0. So the probability that the number of customer arrivals in 2 minutes equal to 0 is equal to 0.7. Then apply t and k into the function, we can get that lambda equals to 0.178. Then the question B is to get the probability that in 3 minutes no customer arrives, which means t equals to 3 and k equals to 0. So the probability that the number of customer arrivals in 3 minutes equals to 0 is equal to this equation. So apply all the number into the equation, we can get the final answer is 0.586. Then the question C is to get probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive, which means the probability that in 10 minutes at most one customer arrives is on reverse. So the probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive is equal to 1 minus the probability that in 10 minutes at most one customer arrives, which equals to 1 minus the probability that the number of customers arrives in 10 minutes equals to 0 or 1. So it's 1 minus the probability in 10 minutes equal to 0, and the probability in 10 minutes equals to 1. So apply k equals to 0, t equals to 10, and k equals to 1, t equals to 10. We can get this line. Then after calculation, we can get the answer, it's 0.531. The question D is to get the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive. So it's to get the probability the number of customer arrives in 1 minute equal to 1. So apply t equals to 1 and k equals to 1. We can get its lambda multiply e minus lambda's power. So the answer is 0.149.